Now in today's video, we're taking a look at the Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex. These are brand new headphones from Jabra that are super compact, they're lightweight, and they fold too. And they have fantastic call quality, which Jabra is known for. We're going to do an Ebpman style call quality and audio test, and you're going to check out why these are called Flex. Oh, and by the way, they're super comfy too. Let's go ahead and check them out. Now, the Jabra Evolve Flex have fantastic battery life. We're talking about 20 hours per charge. Now, as you can see, these cover both ears, but they also have a boom mic function that you're going to see in a couple seconds. Let me see where it's at. Here it is right here. So this guy comes out so that you can use this for phone calls. Now, they have hybrid active noise canceling, and they have something called Jabra Air Comfort, which means that the cushion that's right here that presses against your ears, because they're not over your ear, they're on your ear, are super comfortable, and they're going to be fatigue free. And for some of us that may overheat, they also tend not to overheat. The cool thing about these is that they fold flat, so you'll be able to take them with you virtually anywhere. This is the case. This is how small this thing is. Super duper small because of how they fold away. They have 28mm custom drivers. They also feature Jabra's clear voice microphone. And as you saw here on the side, basically you have a boom mic that comes up or out, and then when you want to mute, you just lift up. It also has a mute indicator if that's something that's important to you. It has also compatibility with Microsoft Teams. It has compatibility with Zoom, which means that your mute functions, they actually actuate the functions that you see in these two products. They have USB-A and USB-C connectivity as well as Bluetooth, and they have a 100-foot range. Now you'll find that you'll have this small travel case with these headphones, and I'm going to show you how these will fold in a couple seconds. Inside, you're going to find an additional accessory, and it's kind of here tucked away underneath this piece. This right here is a USB-A dongle in my case, but you could also have a USB-C. So this you can connect to your PC, and it's going to give you that super range when it comes to connectivity. Remember, they are multi-paired, which means that you can have two devices connected at the same time. You could go straight Bluetooth, or you could use the dongle. I find that I find myself, if I have the dongle, I connect it to my machine because it feels that it's a little bit faster, the connection. But then you have this small travel pouch that fits easily in a backpack, and you don't have to have something that's super large. It also comes with this wireless charging pad that you can connect via USB-A, and then you could actually put them on the side, and you'll see that there's a little lightning bolt right there. This basically is going to go like this, and it's going to charge that easy. Now, as we mentioned, one of the superpowers of these is the folding capabilities, right? So you'll notice that they fold. Let's go ahead and get them into their folding mode right here, right? And that's all there is to it. And look at how thin they get, right? On the inside, you can see they have, again, that comfort material right here. Very soft. It's cool to the touch. And then as we open these up, you do have the standard extension capabilities that you have with headphones. And then you have also your power button, your active noise canceling button. You have all your controls, volume rockers, and things of that nature. And if you were to put them on, I'm going to go ahead and put them on so you can see. This is what they would look like. They don't seem to have, and let me go ahead and bring this in a little bit so you can see what that looks like. They don't seem to have a big arch right here. So notice how tapered they are. So there's not a lot of space that you're getting right there. And then I'll turn to the right, turn to the left, right? And then if I'm going to be on a phone call, I just pull the boom mic like this, and you can see how that comes out. And then if you're done, you just put them up. And they are, again, they look like normal headphones. Very compact and very lightweight. Let's go ahead and do a call quality and an audio test so you can hear how they sound.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something breathe.
Now next we're going to do a call quality test of the Jabra Evolve2 65s in a quiet environment. If we take a look at our decibel readings, around 28 decibels of noise. It's going to switch. Now this is what the Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex will sound like in a quiet environment. This is the test. 1, 2, 3. This is our test. Now let's add some wind to the environment. This is what the Jabra Evolve2 65s will sound like with wind in the environment. This is a test. 1, 2, 3. This is our test. Now we've added significant noise to the environment. As you can see here, anywhere between 40 and 80 decibels of noise. We're going to stay quiet to see how much the Jabra 2 65 Flex cancel, and then we'll continue with the vocal test. Let's go ahead and switch. Now, this is what the Jabra Evolve2 65 will sound like in a noisy environment. These are the Flex version. This is what they will sound like in a noisy environment. The test, 1, 2, 3. This is our test. Now, if you're wondering what they would sound like with an infant crying in the background, this is what they're going to sound like with an infant crying in the background. Now, if you're wondering what they're going to sound like with dogs barking in the background, well, this is what they're going to sound like with dogs barking in the background. If you're wondering what they're going to sound like with a doorbell ringing in the background, this is what they sound like with the doorbell ringing. Now, from an audio perspective, how well do they do, and how does the active noise canceling perform? Active noise canceling performs extremely well, transparency mode as well. You do have an EQ, and you do have personalization that you can go through. I have these set to bass boost, and I felt that the bass was responsive. You had a separation between mids and highs, and they did a really nice job of taking me from a work environment to a personal play environment. From taking phone calls for an extended period of time to now watching a movie, listening to an audiobook, or even watching YouTube. So again, they're going to work in a variety of mixed environments. Now, they have the standard Jabra app, so let's go ahead and check them out. Now, the Jabra app is the same for all devices, and we've reviewed them in the past before. You can see your Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex. You can see if hear through is present or not, and the cool thing is that you have various levels that you can configure. You can turn on active noise canceling, and they are present. You can feel it coming in, and you also have levels that you could go through. They perform really well. You can turn it off. You have your EQ. You have, if you would like to have bass, all right? In my case, I like the bass boost. White noise. You can have a busy light on or off if you're on the phone so people will know. And then you have also some personalization that you can go through. Now, in the settings area, you can check your headset firmware. So you can go here and see if there's anything that needs to be updated. You can tap this. There's nothing really there to worry about. Personalize your headset. So there's a couple things you can do. You can actually go through a tailored audio test. You can name the hardware, and then also you can set up your voice guidance language. You also then have the ability to choose your voice assistant. So there's a lot of capabilities that you can personalize. So guys, that wraps up our review. See you in the next video.